In the beginning, you only had your hands to work with. In the not-too-distant past, drafting evolved to include a few new tools, but it was still a time-consuming task to draw a spool. Inevitably, changes needed to be made, causing much grief and more time. Today, we are blessed with SpoolCAD, software designed specifically to make spool drafting a joy. Draw spool, generate bill of material, diameter inch, wait. The boss comes and asks for changes. No problem. Change is made, and with a click, the bill of material is updated. Everything you need to complete the spool production has already been created within the drawings. Now, with a couple of clicks, your drawings data can be distributed throughout the office and throughout the supply chain. Don't be a dinosaur. Be the future.